In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to Android. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using your Sony WH-1000XM5 on any Android device is extremely simple. You can easily connect them and use them completely wirelessly over Bluetooth. So, in order to connect them, you need to be able to establish a Bluetooth connection. Alternatively, you can use a provided 3.5mm cable to do it wired, but I recommend doing it wirelessly. So to start, for the Bluetooth connection first, make sure that your Android device supports Bluetooth and that it is enabled. So go over to the settings, turn on Bluetooth if it is not turned on already, and now you have to set the headphones to pairing mode. The easiest way to do this is to power them off and then press and hold the power button for about 7 seconds. There will be a visual indicator with the LED status blinking blue rapidly. Once this happens, they are in pairing mode. So now, once you press the power button for around 7 seconds and put them into pairing mode, look on your screen and you will be able to find them under the list of available devices. Choose the Sony WH-1000XM5 from the list of available devices and a connection will be established. Once this is done, all of the audio being output on your Android device will be output on the Sony headphones, and this will work for any other model that you have. As long as they are sufficiently charged, you can use them indefinitely, completely wireless. Now, if you want to do it through a wired connection, you just have to use a provided 3.5mm cable, connect one end to the Sony WH-1000XM5 3.5mm audio jack port, and then another one into your PC, laptop, or a phone. And once this is done, you will also be able to listen to all of the audio being output. This time, you don't have to worry about the battery, and you don't even have to power them on. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Sony WH-1000XM5 to Android. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.